Hi guys, today we're looking at this Patriot Viper V570 Blackout Gaming RGB mouse. This video is sponsored by ALM Wholesale, laptop supplier to repair and retail stores worldwide. Okay, let's take a look at this Viper V570 RGB mouse. This is the blackout version, because the traditional version does have mainly red buttons down the side, which makes it stand out a little bit more. So a lot of people prefer the plain black with obviously the RGB lighting. So let's take a look at it. It tells you everything you need to know on there basically. It's got RGB, 12,000 dpi, adjustable weight system, and it's got a FPS and MMO hybrid design. Again, it doesn't specify, like we've seen on the keyboard, that it is a Patriot branded product. This is their gaming range, the Viper. It does say on the back in small print. Would be nice to see Patriot on there, because most people have possibly heard the name Patriot compared to Viper. So let's have a look. The front door does flip open. You can see the mouse in the plastic. It doesn't really allow you to see too much, to be honest with you, because of the plastic. Sort of makes it, sort of give it a blurred effect to the actual mouse, so you can't really see that there is loads of buttons down the side. On the back you can see a bit more information. So you can see on there about the 12,000 dpi, adjustable up to 34 grams of weight. You've got ceramic footprints, or footpad should I say. You've got 13 programmable buttons, ideal for MMOs, and you've got a sniper button, so it will slow the mouse down, so when you are trying to do headshots or whatever it is in a first person shooter, it will be easy to do. So let's open this up and see exactly what we've got. Okay, inside we've got obviously the plastic. You can see there a nice pot. I'm guessing that's the weights. It is. So you've got each individual weight in there, which is there. So you can place those inside the actual mouse to give it more of a weighted feel. Some people prefer mice that are light, some prefer it obviously when it's got a little bit more weight to it. I prefer it with a little bit more weight personally, but it's down to preference. So I'll just move those items to one side. So let's see what else we've got. Let's get the cable in out. Okay, so we've got an envelope. It seems to be a common thing with the Patriot items. So in this envelope, I'm guessing we've got the basic quick start guide and some stickers. Yes, we do. We've got some nice stickers here. So again, they can go on your case or whatever you want. So they're quite a good size, probably a couple inches by a couple inches. So nice looking stickers. There you can see the quick start guide. You can actually see the colours what the original version, bear in mind this is the blackout version, so all these red buttons down the side on top are actually now black. So gives you a rough idea. And on the back of there you've got, well, quick start guide, so you can download, it tells you about downloading the software to program it and so forth, which is from their website. Again, there's no discs with this day and age. Not many things do come with discs. Moving on to the mouse. So we've got the mouse here. As you can see, it looks a pretty good size. It is actually a very good size. It fits my hand perfectly, and I've got quite large hands. So maybe if you've got really small hands, it may not be so good, but it's a good fitting mouse. The cabling is actually braided. It's just totally black braided, so it's probably hard to see on this video. And you've got all your multiple buttons all the way down the side. More than most people will probably ever use, and you've got your sniper shot there. The bottom looks pretty nice. You've got your ceramic bottoms on there as well. So it is pretty good. Again, this is ideal for right-handed people. There's no buttons on the right-hand side of it, so it wouldn't fit a left-handed person. I'm not sure if they do a left-handed version of this. They possibly don't, but I'll have to get confirmation on that. But otherwise, it's quite a nice looking mouse. I'll just plug it in so you can see how the RGB lights work. And again, they are programmable, so you can mess about with them as you wish. Right, there you go. So you can see the actual mouse, it's all lit up. You've got everything there. So you've got lights pretty much everywhere on this. So around the side, that's the left-hand side. You've got some the Viper logo, or the Viper name lit up there. You've actually got lights on the DPI, which as you adjust the DPI switch, it changes the colour as well. And then you've got colours on the wheel, and then you've got sort of like a cool effect on the front there, which will probably look pretty good on a desk at night when it'll light the front part of the mouse up and so forth. There is no lights on the right hand side or the bottom of the mouse at all, other than that strip what's on the left side there. But otherwise, we've got a nice gaming mouse, and we're going to give it a good run through and see how it performs in comparison to others that we've tried on the market.